So some more problems on area of combination of plane figures. Next problem, in figure ABC, in figure ABC is a right angled triangle right angled at A. Now semicircles are drawn. Semicircles are drawn on AB, AC and BC as diameters. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Now triangle ABC, right angle at A, ABC. Now semicircles are drawn taking AB as the diameter, taking AC as the diameter and taking BC as the diameter. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. This region. Now it is given AB is equal to 3 cm and this is 4 cm. Now in triangle ABC, ABC is a right angle triangle at angle A. So by using Pythagoras theorem, BC square, this is equal to AB square plus AC square. So this is equal to 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. So BC square equal to 9 plus 16 equal to 25. Therefore BC equal to 5 cm. BC equal to 5 cm. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region equal to area of triangle ABC, plus area of semicircle of diameter 3 cm plus area of semicircle of diameter 4 cm minus area of semicircle of diameter 5 cm. It means if we add the area of triangle ABC, this area of triangle ABC, area of semicircle taking AB as the diameter and area of a semicircle taking AC as the diameter, we will find the area of whole figure. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region, so we have to subtract this area. So this is the area of semicircle of BC as diameter. So to find out the shaded region, area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle taking AB as the diameter, area of semicircle taking AC as the diameter, and then minus area of semicircle taking BC as the diameter. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half, base is 3, height is 4 plus area of semicircle, so half pi r is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 whole square plus half pi, diameter is 4, so radius will be 4 by 2 whole square minus half pi 5 by 2 whole square. Now solving by this expression, 6 plus this will become 9 pi by 8 plus 16 pi by 8 minus 25 pi by 8. Now 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 and 16 pi by 8, this is equal to 25 pi by 8. So this will be cancelled. 9 pi by 8 So answer will be 6 centimeter square. Therefore the area of shaded region is 6 centimeter. Next problem. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region where ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. This is a square. ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region where the square is of side 10 centimeter. Now to find out the area of shaded region, this is equal to area of 4 semicircles minus area of square. If we take the area of 4 semicircles, let this portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if we take the area of 4 semicircles, then it will be equal to first semicircle 1 plus 8 plus 7, second semicircle 7 plus 4 plus 6, third semicircle 6 plus 3 plus 5, and fourth semicircle 5 plus 2 plus 8. Now if we subtract the area of a square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then we will get the area of 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, which is the area of shaded region. So area of 4 semicircle equal to 4 multiplied by half pi, and radius is 10 by 2 is equal to 5, so 5 square minus area of square is equal to 10 whole square. So this is equal to 2 pi multiplied by 25 minus 100. So 50 pi minus 100. Now pi is equal to 3.14. So 50 multiplied by 3.14 minus 100. So this will be equal to 157 minus 100 equal to 57 centimeter square. So this is the area of this shaded region. Next problem. An athletic track 14 meter wide consists of two straight sections, 120 meter long, joining semicircular ends, whose inner radius is 35 meter. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Calculate the area of the shaded. Now this is athletic track which is 14 meter wide. Let this be center, and this is 35 meter inner radius. This length is equal to 120 meter. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. Now area of shaded region equal to area of shaded region equal to twice area of rectangle. Suppose this point is A, B, C and D. So area of rectangle ABCD twice, this is twice area of rectangle ABCD, my plus half, twice of half pi. Now 35 plus 14, the radius of outer radius will be 35 plus 14, 49 whole square minus 35 whole square. So this will be the area of shaded region. Now twice of area of rectangle, so twice multiplied by 120 multiplied by 14 plus cancel 2 cancel, so pi. So this will be equal to 49 plus 35, 84, and 45 minus 39, 49 minus 35. So 2 multiplied by 120 multiplied by 14 is equal to 3360 plus this is equal to pi is 22 by 7. So 84 multiplied by 14. So this will be cancelled by 2 times. So we can solve it by 22 multiplied by 84 multiplied by 2. So this will give us 3696. So this is equal to 3360 plus 3696 is equal to 7056 meter square. So the area of this shaded region is 7056 meter square. Area of this shaded region is 7056 meter square.